Welcome to the Levin Richmond Terminal and the Richmond Pacific Railroad. These sister companies are strategically located in Richmond, California on the San Francisco Bay and have provided customized rail and marine terminal transportation services for over 40 years. The terminal is a well-established deep-water dry bulk marine facility. It has the capacity to load and discharge vessels at 2 berths, which accommodate up to Panamax-size vessels. The railroad is a Class 3 short line which connects with the UP and BNSF. It handles unit trains of bulk commodities as well as manifest business for 17 customers. Common ownership and a symbiotic relationship allow these entities to provide cost-effective, customized transportation solutions. Together, they offer one-stop shop logistics. Both are managed by the same management team to ensure aligned priorities, operational efficiencies, and lower overhead. Likewise, 43 operating engineers work interchangeably between the terminal and rail operations. Manpower is placed where it is needed based on fluctuating demands. In the early 2000s, Levin Enterprises negotiated a series of track and storage yard leases, upgraded them, and purchased a fleet of locomotives. Thus, the Richmond Pacific Railroad was established. It now operates over 12 miles of track in the greater Richmond area and is a vital link between the BNSF and UP and the marine terminal. Richmond Pacific has the ability to meet its customers' switching needs and short-term rail car storage. The railroad's strength lies in its ability to provide customized transportation solutions for its customers. For example, if one of its customers requires more than one switch per day to ensure their operations are optimal, the railroad can accommodate, often arranging multiple switches. Let's follow a coal shipment on its journey from the UP Railroad to the marine terminal. Today, most of the commodities handled by the terminal, including coal, are being exported overseas, largely to Asia, Europe, and South America. The UP brings a unit train of approximately 105 coal cars into Richmond, and the entire set of cars is interchanged to the Richmond Pacific Railroad. The unit train is brought into the railroad's various storage yards and broken down into smaller sets of cars for easier handling. The cars are then delivered to the terminal, where they are unloaded through a bottom dump system onto conveyors for delivery to the vessel or a stockpile. Depending on the loading plan for the vessel, the conveyors are configured to connect with one of the terminal's portable ship loaders to transport the coal onto the vessel. Sometimes coal will need to be stockpiled at the terminal while it waits for the arrival of a ship. So often ships are loaded from the bottom dump system and from an existing stockpile. As one of the few dry bulk terminals left on the West Coast, Levin has all the facilities required for the storage and shipment of such cargo. Due to its ideal location and its deep water, most large dry bulk vessels can be accommodated. The terminal has 2 berths, A berth with a depth of 40 feet and B berth with a depth of 32 feet. 3 gantry cranes and adjacent stockpile areas are served by a network of spur tracks. Current terminal total stockpiling capacity is approximately 70,000 metric tons. Over the years, the terminal has acquired a vast array of equipment, allowing it to handle many different commodities and provide superior flexibility in loading and unloading logistics. The terminal operates its own dedicated maintenance and fabrication shops to ensure properly maintained equipment and reliable load rates. Both the railroad, with its fleet of Tier 4 final locomotives, and the terminal pride themselves on their environmental stewardship. The terminal has employed numerous dust suppression protocols, as well as a state-of-the-art water retention and treatment system. In addition, these sister companies boast an impressive safety record. They have had an excellent relationship with the union, and the workforce is stable and dedicated. Currently, they have operated over 4,400 days without a lost time accident. The success of these 2 companies lies in their ability to serve their customers' individual needs consistently and efficiently. Customized transportation solutions is their business.